Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking posture and alignment so coordination has a stable base. Place a metronome at 40-60 BPM and play 1 to 2 bar chunks with each hand alone. This reveals conflicts before they combine. Mark consistent fingerings and underline strong beats so timing anchors are obvious. Once you've mapped both hands, keep the tempo unchanged and mentally trace the melodic line in the other hand while you play. This primes sensoromotor prediction and reduces surprise when you join hands. Once done with separate practice, bring hands together on stripped-down rhythm so you can focus on joint timing rather than complexity. You should loop the hardest 2 to 4 bars and practice with clear subdivisions, count or play steady eighths or triplets to synchronize micro-timing. Make small, deliberate tempo increases of roughly 5% only after you're stable for 10 clean repetitions. Also practice dynamic differences so your hands feel balanced. That tactile balance helps timing and prevents one hand from dominating. You finish by rebuilding full musical detail. Reintroduce articulations and ornaments while recording short runs so you can hear misalignments. Connect 4 to 8 bar phrases into continuous sections to practice endurance and memory, making sure breath-like phrasing keeps timing organic. If timing collapses, isolate the problem bars and tap the rhythm with your non-playing hand or on the bench. Then return at half speed, about 50%, until the hands lock. That single troubleshooting loop resets coordination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.